my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be reviewing this amazing product by JustHer. It's their protein with herb supplement. So it's basically a protein supplement which has got 20 grams of high quality whey protein with added goodness of herbs and superfoods. Can you imagine so much goodness in a single pack, guys? This is amazing. It's specially crafted for the nutritional needs of women. Also, I've started including this in my daily diet because I've started working out, and we all tend to miss out on the nutrients in our meals. So I'm including it in my daily diet so that I get the essential nutrients, because when we work out, our body really needs these nutrients, these vitamins and these minerals. So yeah, I've included this in my daily diet. So it's basically a preservative free, gluten free, does not have any added sugar or artificial sweeteners. It's soy free, which is great, and it has exclusive blend of these herbs like ashwagandha, which is great for stress and anxiety, and also has anti-inflammatory properties. It has got garcinia, which again is great for our digestive and metabolic health, and also helps in weight loss. It has got Choudhary, which really helps in supporting the hormonal imbalances among females. So it's a great product. Also, this can be a really good health partner when it comes to your weight management goals. So let's find out how. It has got 20 grams of high quality whey protein, which helps you keep fuller for a longer period of time, and this basically helps in avoiding the unwanted calories, and yeah, it keeps your cravings under control. It has got 1.4 grams of fat without any added sugar or artificial sweeteners or any harmful additives. So this ensures that good nutrition is delivered to you. To further support your weight management goals, it has these beneficial herbs like cumin, fennel and green tea. They together help in maintaining and improving your metabolic and digestive health. And if you work out regularly, then this is a great drink to have post your workout sessions, as it really helps in repairing your muscles and also helps in building lean muscles. And as I said, I have been consuming it for a while now after my workout sessions. This is amazing. It tastes delicious, exactly like a chocolate shake. So you can have it early in the morning or post your workout. Just take 1 scoop of this protein and mix it in 200 ml of water or milk. You can have it in water or milk. I prefer having it in water because I do not like milk, but yeah, you can have it either way. So yeah, that's how you're supposed to have this drink. So I have my water in the glass, and I'm gonna add half a scoop of this protein in my water. It's a small glass. Just make sure there are no lumps, and your yummy protein rich shake is ready. I'll keep it aside, and trust me guys, it's very yummy and delicious. It also is an energy booster, which helps in increasing your energy levels, as it has got high quality whey protein and also vitamin B. It's great for your hair and also for your skin. It gives you long hair and gives you a radiating skin. It's also very good in strengthening your immune system. It gives you a stronger immune system, and also improves your bone strength, as it has got vitamin D and also calcium. So it's a great product, and I highly recommend this because it has got all these Ayurvedic herbs, which are carefully chosen, keeping in mind all the unique needs of women. It helps in improving the energy and metabolism levels. It's a great stress buster. It strengthens the immunity and also gives you stronger bones, and it just keeps the stress away and also helps in weight loss. So it all in all, it is a great product which really helps in the giving the holistic benefits to women, and I highly recommend this product, guys. You can shop this. I'll keep the link in the description box, so if you wish to get this product, you can check out all the information down in the description box. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this product review, and let me know what do you guys feel about these product reviews, or should I do them more, or should I not do them? So yeah, let me know about that. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time in a new one. Also, I have already shot the no makeup tutorial, and it's a fun one, guys. I'm sure you will love it. I think I'll be uploading it tomorrow, so stay tuned for that, and see you next time.